Embedded systems are all around us, from smart home devices to wearables and medical devices. In 2023, one of the easiest and most relevant topics in embedded systems will be the use of edge computing for IoT applications. Edge computing involves processing data closer to the source, rather than sending it all to the cloud. This has several benefits, including reduced latency, improved security, and lower bandwidth requirements. In the context of IoT, edge computing can enable faster and more efficient data processing for devices that have limited resources. For example, you can use a microcontroller board with sensors to collect data from an IoT device, process it locally, and send only the relevant information to the cloud. This can significantly reduce the amount of data that needs to be transmitted, as well as the cost and energy consumption of the device. Some of the applications of edge computing in IoT include real-time monitoring and control, predictive maintenance, and anomaly detection. With the growing adoption of IoT devices, edge computing is expected to become even more important in 2023 and beyond. So if you're interested in embedded systems, consider exploring the exciting world of edge computing for the IoT. Thanks for watching. Stick around with us for more useful embedded content.